Good morning, Strong Vincent families. My name is Rich Pagano. I'm a school-wide support teacher here at Strong Vincent. I'd like to introduce Mr. Heasley for you.
Morning, families.
What we have for you people is just a brief PowerPoint explaining the Title I program at Strong Vincent Middle School. Just hold on for 1 second.
Working.
It is a go?
It's a go.
Okay, the Title I program at Strong Vincent. Your rights as a Title I parent. All students at Vincent fall under the Title I umbrella. As a Title I parent, you have the rights afforded to you. It is a requirement we host an annual Title I informational meeting. If you have any questions throughout the school year, please contact us at our emails below. As a Title I parent, you have the right to request information regarding the professional qualifications of your child's teacher and paraprofessionals who provide services. If your child is taught 4 or more weeks by a teacher who is not certified in that area, you will be notified. Copies of these notices are on our school website as well as the EPS Family Guide. Please call us if you have any questions regarding these important notices. 5th grade step-up days. The transition plan includes a spring open house for all new families. What we do is we oftentimes go to the schools introducing ourselves, and then weeks later, the schools visit Strong Vincent in the spring. Parents are welcome to help us write our transition plan for next school year. See one of our SWS teachers if you'd like to be part of the transition planning. Erie's Public Schools Family Engagement Policy is located in the EPS website. If you have suggestions to improve the district policy, please email Nora Dolak. Strong Vincent's Family Engagement Policy, if you would like, check out last year's policy on our website. If you have any suggestions to improve or change it, please email one of us. Policies and compacts are jointly created with teachers, parents, and administrators. We will be implementing new English language arts and a new math program this year. The links to the new programs are on the district websites. Check out the specific pod level videos for more information on the new curriculum here. Next year, we will be implementing a new social studies program. Parents are welcome and encouraged to schedule meetings with teachers. Please provide 24 hours notice. Those meetings will be in a phone/Zoom conference. If requested by parents, opportunities for meetings to formulate and participate in decisions related to the education of their children are certainly welcome here at SV. All schools must reflect upon their data and create a school level plan. In the spring of each year, parents are invited to participate in the creation of SV's school level plan. If you would like to be part of this team, email one of us. As a parent, we value your input on shaping professional development for our teachers. If you have suggestions or would like to present a specific topic to our faculty, please let us know. If you have specific questions regarding the state's content standards, please refer to the EPS website and share your concerns with your child's teacher. We are here to help. Questions regarding student assessment can also be directed to your child's teacher or one of our school counselors. The best way to make sure your child is progressing is to check out the parent portal in our Infinite campus. If you are in need of specific materials or literature to help your child at home, please let us know. Chromebooks and curriculum materials were sent out in September. If you have difficulty with the English language, we can help you. Facebook automatically translates for our families. See our Family Information Guide for more EL information. Parents and family engagement are very important here at Strong Vincent. We have an active PTSA, and we would like to see a lot of people at our meetings. Surveys are posted regularly for your input. We value our parents as equal partners. We can't do this work without you. Thank you for your time. Mr. Heasley, any closing thoughts?
Just glad you made it through. We miss you, kids. Like to see you back soon.
It would be nice to see a filled classroom, a filled hallway, a filled cafeteria, it would be very nice. Thank you. Do you want to stop the cloud recording?